Hello everyone, this is Paul from ThinkEnglishTv and I am coming with another videos. If you are new on this channel, then consider subscribing and press the bell icon below so getting future updates at the first. This video is only for the beginners basically, because whenever you are gonna making some sentence, in that case what happens? First of all, making simple sentence, first you need to choose some keyword or some key points. Based on that you can make different sentence, right? Using the keywords will help you to reconstruct new kind of sentences using same kind of keyword, right? For example, you can say the example that is, I am going to the supermarket. So in that case the keyword is supermarket, so I am going to the supermarket. This can be changed just by changing the keyword. Like in the place of supermarket you can use some another kind of word, like I am going to the school, I am going to home, I am going to the roadside, I am going to the beach, I am going to somewhere. So in these cases, just by changing the keywords you can actually change the sentence type, and in this way you can make several sentences, and which creates nothing but an habituated, like it's a kind of exercise that you are creating new individual sentence. And this is very important, those who are begin their journey in this line, like to speak English well. First you need to make, or you have to create very simple sentence that can put together and create the whole structure of your, the whole paragraph that is need to discuss with someone to express your views, right? Now you can change the whole sentence structure. For example, right now you can say that uh, I am going for morning walk. So in that sentence, I am going for morning walk, you can change the either the morning walk term and you can use something else, or you can change the subject, right? For example, he is going for morning walk or she is going for morning walk. So that in that case the subject is being changed, so you can reconstruct the sentence as per your needs, as per your choice, right? There are several thousand number of choice you have. Just you have to reconstruct the sentence just by changing few keywords and the sentence type. Alright, so that's how you can create different kinds of sentences, and hence to improve your vocab as well as sentence speak making activities. Alright, those who are really in much beginner level in English speaking journey, so for them my suggestion is that use this exercise for the next few days, like after 1 month or after 2 months you will see the change, right? Making this habit, right, making simple sentence and using this in express your views and changing the keywords in many ways can help you to change or to increase the ability of your brain to think about the topic and say something in English without thinking about the topic too much, right? Whenever you are gonna reconstruct sentences again and again, your brain will automatically capture few points, and you can use those sentences in every aspects very easily, naturally. Alright, see you again.